Actress awardees, and of course, we are happy to present the following. For 3 movies, in 1982, Relasyon, in 1981, Pakawalan Mo Ako, and in 1972, Dama de Noche, Miss Vilma Santos. In 1980, for Brutal, Miss Ami Austria. In 1979, for Inaka ng Anak Mo. In 1976, for Tatlong Taong Walang Diyos, Miss Nora Honor. In 1978, for Gumising Ka Maruha. 1979, for Maligno, Miss Susan Roses. In 1975, for Lumapit Lumayo ang Umaga, Elizabeth Oropesa. In 1974, for Tinimbang Ka Ngunit Kulang. 1956, for Hilda, Miss Lolita Rodriguez. In 1973, for Giminaw Ako, and 1969, Badlis sa Kinabuhi, Miss Gloria Sevilla. For Tatay na si Erap in 1972, Miss Boots Anson Roa. For Lilette in 1971, Miss Celia Rodriguez. In 1970, for Bakit Ako Pa, and 1958, for Talipandas, Miss Rita Gomez. A Hall of Fame candidate, ladies and gentlemen, for these movies. In 1968, for Igorota. 1963, Angustia. 1960, Emily. And 1959, Kundiman ng Lahi, Miss Charito Solis. For 1967, Kapag Puso'y Sinugatan, and 64, Sa Bawat Pintig ng Puso, Miss Marlene Dauden. In 1966, for Ibulong Mo sa Hangin, Miss Amalia Fuentes. For Daigdig ng Mga Api in 1965, Miss Barbara Perez. And for Marcang Rehas in 1962, Perla Bautista. In 1961, for Ala Ala Kita, the late Tessie Quintana. In 1957, for Sino ang May Sala, Paraluman. In 1955, for Sunny Boy, Miss Rosa Rosal. In 1954, for Dalagang Ilocana, Miss Gloria Romero. In 1953, for Inspiracion, Miss Carmen Rosales. And finally, in 1952, for Basahang Ginto, Miss Alicia Vergel. Yan ho mga kaibigan, ang ating mga Best Actress awardees sa mga nagdaang taon mula nang masimula ng FAMAS. And here to present their awards, we would like to call on 3 very talented stars, Lani Mercado, Juan Rodrigo, and Raquel Montesa. Miss Lilibeth Ranillo is here to represent her mother, Gloria, who is now in the United States. Is that Lilibeth? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for Miss Vilma Santos, Charito Solis, Alicia Vergel, Perla Bautista, Susan Roses, Amalia Fuentes, of course, and her lovely daughter Lisel, Celia Rodriguez, Gloria Sevilla, and Lilibeth, and to our presenters, Lani Mercado and Juan Rodrigo. Thank you very much. A big round of applause for these beautiful people. Thank you.
Here's an entertainment number from Ware Recording. A singer for all seasons. Please welcome Mr. Marcos Sison.